To enable or disable Talkback in Motorola Signature, first of all, I should mention that I'm not having Talkback enabled right now. This feature is really hard to record a video with, as it would keep speaking over me. And anyway, I'm going to show you how to disable or enable it. And to basically do anything right now, you will need to double press on each button that you're gonna click on. So for example, if we go for settings, in case that you have Talkback enabled, you will need to double press on it quickly. That way it should open. Then you can normally scroll all the way down to the bottom, click on accessibility right here, double click on it, go to Talkback, again double click, and then there's a Talkback that you can activate. Or deactivate, like this. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.